The Astronaut and the Strange Beautiful Creatures. In the distant future, an astronaut named Maya embarked on a journey to explore a newly discovered planet called Zarion. After months of traveling through space, her spaceship finally landed on the mysterious world. As she stepped onto the surface, Maya was amazed by the breathtaking landscape. The sky shimmered with hues of purple and gold, and glowing rivers flowed gently across the land. But what truly caught her attention were the creatures. They weren't like any animals she had seen before. One had butterfly wings, but the body of a cat glowing in soft shades of blue. Another resembled a deer, but its antlers sparkled like crystal. Each creature was unique, moving gracefully as if they were part of the planet's magical rhythm. Curious and fearless, Maya approached them slowly. The creatures didn't run away. Instead, they seemed to welcome her, their glowing eyes filled with curiosity. Maya began documenting everything, knowing that this discovery could change humanity's understanding of life in the universe. Her heart filled with wonder, Maya realized that this wasn't just an expedition. It was a chance to connect with a world beyond imagination.